Okay, the next thing I want to show you is an inequalities example. It's very similar. So I'm going to split my paper in half. If you don't have enough room to draw this next example on your paper, then go ahead and use the next page. It's okay. All right, and I'm going to title this side inequalities. Okay, our example for inequalities is negative 8b, that is the letter B, minus 3 is greater than or equal to 2 times 2b plus 3 plus 15. Negative 8b minus 3 is greater than or equal to 2 times 2b plus 3 plus 15. Okay, I'm going to draw my line. And just like we did with the equation problems, I want to look at both sides individually first. So if I look at the left side, I have negative 8b minus 3. I don't have anything that I can combine there because they don't have the same last names. There's nothing I need to multiply. I would just bring down negative 8b minus 3. Okay, if I look on this side, 2 parentheses 2b plus 3 plus 15. Those parentheses tell me that I need to multiply or distribute. So let's go ahead and do that. So I need to distribute 2 times 2b. 2 times 2b is going to give me 4b. And then I need to distribute 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 is plus 6. And I'm going to bring down the plus 15. Okay, I see on a lot of people's papers where they try to bring down this 2. You've already multiplied this 2 out, so you don't need to do anything with it. It's done, okay? But we haven't done anything with the 15 yet, and that's why we bring it down. And then everything over here, let's go ahead and bring it down. Negative 8b minus 3, and I want to bring down that greater than or equal to sign. Okay, still looking over here on the right side, I think I see something I can combine, okay? I don't have anything else that has a b in it, but I see 6 plus 15. I can add 6 plus 15 together. So 6 plus 15, I'm going to bring down 4b, 6 plus 15 is going to give me 21. And then I'll bring this stuff down again over here. Negative 8b minus 3 is greater than or equal to 4b plus 21. I follow the same steps as I did with the equations, and what I mean by that is now I see that I have a variable on both sides, and this is where I'm going to pick on little brother. Okay, so I want to box my variables. I have negative 8b, and I have 4b. Okay, negative 8b is the little brother here. It's smaller, it's negative. So I want to add 8b to both sides. Negative 8b plus 8b cancels. I want to bring down the 3, or the negative 3, sorry. Then 4b plus 8b will give me 12b, and I bring down that plus 21. I also want to bring down the inequality, greater than or equal to. Okay. Now I can box my variable. And I want to move that number away from the variable. So if I look, I need to move this 21. So I want to subtract 21 on both sides. 21 minus 21 cancels. I have negative 3 minus 21, which would give me negative 24. Don't be afraid to use your calculator on these negative numbers. Is greater than or equal to, and I bring down the 12b. I'm almost done. I have one last step. Box my variable. This is 12 times b, so I need to divide both sides by 12. 12 over 12 cancels. I bring down the b. Negative 24 divided by 12 is negative 2. And I bring down that greater than or equal to sign. Okay, this last little step is just a tiny bit different. B is by itself, so I'm basically done. This could be my answer, right? But I want you to notice that if you were to see this on a multiple choice question, they're probably going to put B in front. So I'm going to say, or if I put B in the front, then that means that the -2 has to go over here. And if this reads -2 is greater than or equal to B, then that means B has to be smaller than -2. So I need to flip this sign when I rewrite it. B is less than or equal to -2. Either of these answers would be correct.